Thailand Rick on tour here. It's Wednesday the 22nd of November 2017, and we're taking a nice slow walk on a sunny afternoon about 3 p.m. quite close to the sea along Jomtien Beach. Not overpacked down here today. It's at 29 degrees, a bit cooler than yesterday. But it's nice, really is nice. Nice slow walk along, let you see all the views. Beautiful palm trees along here. Massive big condos along the seafront here. Everyone's out in their bikinis. Really is nice. Nice boats here as well. Tide's coming in a bit now. You can see how long this beach is. It goes on for miles. Just absolutely gorgeous scenery. There you go, going up. There's the jets, the power boat over there. Looks like good fun, that does. Until you come down. Amazing. Come on over there and get you. So, all good fun. Water's warm, by the way. I just dipped my feet in it a minute ago. Lovely and warm. That's what I like about Jomtien Beach instead of central patio. This is nicer. The palm trees actually come right along the actual beach, as you can see. Where along central patio they're in the actual pavement, walking by the side of the beach. Here they're actually in the beach as well, as you can see. Just makes the scenery here even more stunning. People in the sea there. Couldn't do that in England today. Yeah, the water's really, really warm. I've noticed the sea out here very calm. And in the evening time it seems to be as if it don't move. Coming back in now for a landing by the looks of it. People sunbathing over there. I don't blame them. You sunbathe along here, there's food sellers they come up to you. I saw one earlier on selling fresh crab. Oh, looked amazing. I don't know how he's going to land. suppose he's going to try and perch them on the beach. They know what they're doing, they're very, very skillful. The boat's coming in really close now. And I suppose he's going to try and land on the sand. He does too. Wow, amazing. Precise that was. He didn't even get his feet wet. Amazing. I have to give that a try one day. It does look fun. I don't know how much it is, I can't tell you. It wasn't out there for very long. Can't be no more than 8-10 minutes at the most. Jet skiers there, they're coming right out of the water over there. Going some as well. Yeah, that's pretty amazing, that. He actually landed back on the beach. That's why I'd want to land back on the beach. I don't want to end up in the sea. I hope you're enjoying this nice slow walk along Jomtien Beach. My favourite beach, this one. Sand is hot as well. Very warm. People taking selfies over there, you see all that. They're waving at everyone. Everyone's so friendly on this beach as well. You just walk by them and it's hello. Very, very nice. There's one of the street sellers on foot. They sell everything. One came up to me the other day on the beach here, selling watches, rings. You never know what they're going to come around. Come around with a suitcase, open it up, and it's got all the goodies in it. It's stunning. You can see for miles. It's so clear as well, there's no mist. And it's a safe place for families as well. Thinking of coming to Thailand and bringing the kids, go for it. They love it here. And mum and dad can have a nice rest on the beach. Nice suntan. It's one of the jet skis. I only see one out there so far for hire. Again, I don't know how much they are, but all I can say is it being Thailand, it won't be expensive. There's a nice boat for you, Mr. Ron. I wonder if his name's Ronald. Look at golden sands, look at it. Gets cleaned up every day, by the way. I see people along here, obviously the council, and they're picking up litter and everything else all day long. So, yeah, they do their best to keep it up together and try and keep it all clean. See, they're out quite a lot, so no sooner they go out, no sooner they're back, landed, and then another one's on. I don't know whether it's the same person or not, but we're getting closer and closer to where they take off, and I see a lot of people in the distance taking their pictures of it. Look at that there, he's coming in right close. There now. Right. There we go. Let's see if we get. I wonder if he gets a good landing now. Oh, it looks like he's coming straight for me. Oh, what a good view that is. He's coming in. Look at this. Wow. I thought he was coming straight for me then. That's a really good close-up view. Coming in at quite a bit of a speed as well. Fantastic. That's precision, that is. That's very good. I didn't know whether to duck out of the way then or not. Amazing.
Oh, no.
They seem to know what they're doing. They're very, very skillful. See where you positioned that boat as it came in, so it automatically landed on the sand. That's two you saw there now. Both of them actually landed on the sand. People sat on the steps up there. Good thing about this beach, it's not too over populated either. You know, it's not ram-packed. It's just coming up the high season as well now, and I should imagine once it does hit full into a high season, it's going to get very, very busy down here. So November is a very nice time to walk along there if you don't want it too packed. But once we get right into December, the numbers will really, really creep up down here. That's when they got to make their money, during the high season. I don't know what they're trying to find in there. Cockles? I don't know. We're going to have a look in his basket, see what's in there. Oh, little stones. Nothing you can eat that way. Yeah, this is very, very chilled along here. You can probably see from here now the actual width of this. The tide. You can probably see the damp hatch when it comes in. It comes in, there's a line there. You see that line? That's as far as the sea will come in when the tide comes in. And then it just leaves all that lot there, all the sand. So it's still a very, very wide beach, even when the tide's coming. So as you can see, it's still got to come in a little bit more yet. But it's not going to come in much further. There's a little bit of cloud in the sky, but over here, very, very bright. Hurts your eyes sometimes, you know. And I mean, just look, where can you do this in November in England? You can't sunbathe with your bikini on, soaking up the sun. Another cellar here. Candy floss, beach balls for the kids. Everybody's catered for. Nice shaded area here under the trees. Still get a bit of sun, but if you don't like the direct sunlight, then got a shaded area as well. Some of the views are stunning. I've seen quite a few videos on YouTube of the beaches around here, but everyone seems to go on them, take a few video clips for about 2 minutes, and that's about it. So I thought I'd take the time and actually do a video just on the beach itself, just a walk from one end, well, not right to the other end because it'll take 2 days, but give you an idea of what to expect on the beach. I'll show you how far we've walked now. You see those condos in the distance. So we've walked quite a way already. But look, everyone's just enjoying themselves. Really warm, that water as well. Right, the metal detectors are out early. If you look over here now, this guy there, the metal detector, they're out here every single day. So all I can say is they wouldn't be down here every single day if there was nothing to be found. Yeah, he's found something straight away. Yeah, coin. Took him 10 seconds to find that coin. Can you just imagine how many coins must fall out of people's pockets? There's the police over there, they're patrolling it. But you don't have to do much because never no problems down here. But it's not just one, there's 4 of them. See? Looks like he's got a very powerful metal detector there. All I can say is good luck to him. He deserves everything that he finds because it's a massive big beach to cover. But he knows what he's doing. He's staying away from a wet area down here. He's just going on the area where he knows people have laid down. And once coins fall out of your pocket and go in the sand, you never find them anyway. So yeah, I expect he earns a few Thai baht of a day scouring the beaches. Nice little job, tax free. I hope you're enjoying this walk along here. I know I am. Jet ski's going to go out. I don't know what cc they are. Probably a 250, I expect. See they tie the key onto the arm so they don't lose it in the sea. It's great fun. Three of them out there now, jet skis. Wow. And up here we got people fishing with their fishing rods. I don't know if there's much fish that close in up here. Oh. I suppose there must be, otherwise they wouldn't be fishing. I just noticed the microphone had slipped down inside my shirt, so until I check the video, I don't know if the sounds come out very good. But it should be right now. We'll find out later. Oh, I think they caught something. Or was it the one that got away? It looks like there's something on the end of the rod. No, that one got away. Ahead here I see another food seller. I think this is the one that comes around and sells all the seafood, you know, and some of the seafood he sells is absolutely amazing. I might be able to get a little bit of footage, depends on where he walks. No, he's walking away from me now. That's what he do, so he just walk around if you sat down. Seafood, seafood. Big group of people here in the sea. Yeah, as you can see, if you're thinking of bringing the family and kids out here, it's very family orientated as well, and it's very safe for them. As you can see, they've got an area shielded off all the way around, and the kids look like they're enjoying themselves in there as well. Well, you've seen how gorgeous Jomtien beach looks like by night. Now you're seeing what it looks like in the daytime. Totally different, but still gorgeous in its own right. More street food sellers there. They bought some by the looks of it over there. One thing I have noticed just walking along there, it's obviously hot food because I can smell it. It smells really, really nice. It's making me hungry now. There's a view further back. You see how far we've walked up the beach now on the bottom of Jomtien. Look at those views. Looks like jet skis coming in now. I don't know how long you get on a jet ski. I suppose 15 minutes it starts off. All depends on how much you want to pay. Getting a little bit quieter at this end here. But I'm looking in the distance and the beach just goes on and on and on. And it starts to curve round to the right. About half a mile ahead. We won't be walking up as far as that. I could do a 2-hour video, I reckon, on this beach. You get bored with it if I did. But no, so I just thought I'd do a beach video with nothing else attached to it. It's not going to be for everyone, and some of you might get bored with it, but again, there's people that want to see what the whole beach is like. There's different areas, like I said, there's shaded areas, and so I thought I'd take a nice walk along just to give you a good insight of what the actual whole Jomtien beach actually looks like. So if you do come here, you know what to expect. Just some stunning views and nice chilled beach to chill out on, really. Everything is a very slow pace out here. You know, you don't see people rushing around like you do in England. Very relaxed. That's the way life should be. And it's not just the tourists down here chilling out. You get a lot of locals, a lot of the local Thais. They come down here, chill out. That wave nearly got me. That one did. Yeah, it's coming in that tide now. This is leading up towards Jomtien night market. A bit further yet, but look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Hopefully you can hear my voice in the mic over the sea. Got different settings on this camera so I can adjust the mic so it's clearer than the actual background noise, which is quite good. You don't get that on a lot of cameras. More families over there. This is going into the shaded area a little bit, but it's still hot. It really is hot. It's a bit muggy as well today. 29 degrees now. Might be too hot for some people, but I'm loving it. And some of the scenery here is actually fantastic. Yeah. I mean, where could you do this on a summer's day in November? Certainly not in England. The sand is warm. See what I mean? It just goes on and on and on. There's a little bit of rain. Yeah, it does rain out here, by the way, but when it rains, it's like a warm shower. Yeah? The water coming out of the sky is warm. There's a very, very slight, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, very faint shower. I can just feel it a little bit. But it's warm. Right, just over here on the left now is Jomtien Market. It's the night market. I'm not sure it's open yet. It's still afternoon. It's about 4 PM in the afternoon, I think now, or close to it. We're going to take a left here. The beach gets very narrow as it goes ahead now. It really narrows off right to the point where it's only 6 feet wide. The road goes through it. What we're going to do is we're going to, just so you can get your bearings if you come here, we're going to take a left here and you'll see the place I had something to eat in the other night. You know the one that they messed the order up? I ordered prawns and ended up getting pork. We're just coming up to that. And as I explained the other day in that video, there's about 5 or 6 eating places there. Obviously it's in the dark when I filmed it, but you're going to see them in the daylight now. So if you're coming down here, you want something to eat, you should be able to see it nice and clear. This is what it's like there along the beach here in the daylight. And just over there, that's where we went the other night, Sofa Dan. I don't know if you can see it. Looks totally different to night time because this market area, as you've seen from the last video, it's all lit up. And here, right opposite, they got a very, very safe enclosure here for the kids. They might get bored with walking around the market. Look at that. They cater for everything here. You know, so it's not just for the adults. There's a good area here which they've built for the kids. And it's not like the play park they got in England, which are really tacky. Just look at this. You know, they've put a lot of effort into it, spent a lot of money. This is what the parks are like out there, they've done for the kids. You got to admit, that's very, very nice, isn't it? They've made it really attractive. There you go. It's very safe, it's all that cushion stuff. But yeah, their parks out here are really, really nice as well. And just here on the right, I've got a bit of footage of this before for you, is a beach where they do the volleyball all down here at night time. And also I have noticed quite a lot of people sit up there at night time. There's a stand up there where if they're not playing volleyball, they can actually view it. And over the other side there's another one. Right behind the market there's a car park. If you go into the market, you can park behind, and you can see some big condos over there. Really is a good market. I like it. I was looking at some of the reviews the other day, and Jomtien Night Market came out second in the whole of Pattaya of markets as being one of the best markets. doesn't surprise me. Food on that market, as you saw from the previous video, is absolutely amazing. As you can see, some stands there. Don't know what they are. I've got a feeling they put flags on them. But why they want so many, I don't know. Perhaps it's for all nations. As you see, the pavements are quite quiet now this time of day down here, and the traffic is it's not bad. So this beach is getting a lot more narrow now, but it's still nice. Look at that, everyone in t-shirts and shorts. These gorgeous palm trees. One of those nice coaches. They've got some fantastic coaches out here. The electrics, as you can see over there, it's not very nice. That's the only thing that does let this place down. And you can see, I'm going to give you a close up of some of the electrics. Look at that. Electrics there, all outside. I wouldn't want to touch it. So if it does rain, as you can see, it's all exposed, no covers on it. That's all live electric. So you see these electric cables, I certainly keep the kids away from touching them. Look at that there, you see? Bare cables. And at the top there, I'm going to get that in the light. You see that? Bare cables. And all electric cables are attached to the telegraph pole. But the wiring, I've seen better. But it does the job. Over there, that squirrel. Going up the tree right now. Yeah, it's just spitting with rain, but it's warm rain, you know. Ooh, that bird. Sorry if I'd have jumped with the camera there. Thought that bird was coming straight into me. Street seller, oh, he's selling ice cream. There you go. Everybody likes an ice cream on the beach. Just walking around in a box selling his ice cream. Mind you, in this heat out here, that cool box, I don't know how cool they would actually say, because it's bloody hot. There's another one there. I've got a feeling this one now is one of the seafood sellers. Yes, it is, I think. Oh, it looks very, very nice. Can you get a tip on it? Yeah. Was it prawns?
Arriba.
What is it?
Fish. Arriba.
Arriba. Ah, fish.
Yeah,
Fish. Yeah, that. I don't know what that is.
crab.
Yeah.
Crab.
Oh, crab. Ah, fresh crab.
Yeah.
Very nice. And so that's crab. And what is that?
Fish.
Fish. All right. And how much do you actually charge for those?
1, 2, 3 store baht. 100 baht.
100 baht for free.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. 100 baht for 3 of those. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, there you are. I've got a price on it. You get 3 bowls, fresh crab, and the other one's, I don't know what fish it is. So you get 3 of them for 100 baht. So basically £2, just over, for 3 of them. That's not dear, is it, for seafood on a beach? You know, you go to beaches in England, they rip you off. Anything you buy down by the beach will cost you more money. Not in Thailand. That is pretty amazing, that is. So just over £2 for some nice fresh seafood. The crab looked really nice. I was quite tempted. If I wasn't holding this camera, I might have been tempted. You can see a bit of rain now coming through here, but it's not stopping anyone. Right, we're just coming up to the end of this video now. Like I say, this video was for the purpose of a beach walk, a proper beach walk along Jomtien for you. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then please subscribe, help me out. The channel's doing well now. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you can still give it a thumbs up if you want. Yeah, but please share it with your friends if you know anyone that's coming to Thailand. Get them to have a look at the YouTube channel and help them out a little bit so they know what to expect. And I will see you in another video very shortly in the next few days. This is Thailand Rick saying bye for now. See you soon. Bye for now.